Ooh, I love this scent. Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Tony and I'm the co-founder of the Hire Company. In today's video, I thought it would be kind of fun to review my own candle line. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. Okay, y'all, first of all, I just like to say, I'm not an overly dramatic person. So if I say it smells good, just believe me, okay? So first off, I want to start with the signature line, the first line I ever put out. And if you watch any of my fragrance oil videos or when I'm launching a new collection, you'll hear me say that I'm the 4-scent queen, because I just try to stick to 4 scents when I'm launching a new line and just call it a day. So the first scent out of our signature collection is going to be the Beach Trip. So this is our first packaging. The first packaging that we had is either the white, clear, amber color or black jar with all the same lids. So, okay, this is a sweet, it gives me a sweet, fruity drink for the summer. And I did kind of launch these right before summer started, so that was kind of what I was going with. I just love this as a fresh, after you finish cleaning, if you like fruity scents as opposed to lemony fresh scents after cleaning, I would burn this definitely after I finish cleaning. I really like this as something that I'll keep. Well, y'all make this, but if I was somebody who purchased, this is something that I'll keep as a staple for, when I clean, and this is a scent that I want to light afterwards. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and visit our website at thehireco.com. The second scent out of our signature candle line is my favorite. This one is the Half Moon Bay, y'all. This is, I feel like the scent matches the jar for one. It's sweet but subtle, and it's grown. I know when people describe fragrance, actual perfumes and stuff, they be grown and feminine. This is what this gives me, but with a nice warm note to it. And this, I don't know, this would just be a staple overall because it's my favorite. And on the website, you will see me say it's giving ... I'm gonna put it up on the screen. I can't remember what I put, but I know it's definitely giving that. So this scent, actually, I named it after where my cousins used to live in the Caribbean. It definitely gives me that warm scent, remembering good memory, having good memories when we used to go over there. So I really love this scent. Okay, so the third scent from the signature line would be the Sunset Boulevard scent. Okay, this one for me is a more perfumey girl. So if you like more perfume scents, you want a candle that smells like a perfume, Sunset Boulevard would definitely be for you. I like this. It's not my favorite out of all of them, but I definitely like this. This I would more so say for a special occasion. If you have company coming over and you want to set the tone, set the mood, and they be like, oh, what are you burning, blah, blah, blah. This is the candle for that. Okay, the last and final scent from our first signature line will be Black Sand, the Black Sand candle. So, okay, this candle is definitely your manly scent. And I picked this one because I know when people make candles, it's usually targeted towards women, but I know men do like candles as well. So this will be your masculine perfume scent. So if you're a girl that likes these type of scents, or you're a man that also, you want to burn a scent that's not fruity, this is it for you. And this, to me, I'll kind of burn this right before I go to bed. I don't know, I just love candles for every part of the day and any occasion. I like candles that I could light, for special occasions. And this will definitely, I'll burn this before bed, in my kitchen or even in my room. I love this scent. Okay, so moving on to the fall candle line that we recently launched. The first scent I'll be reviewing is Latte Vibes. So the goal for this for me was pumpkin spice latte. Okay, and it definitely gives that, y'all. It has a perfect amount of spice with pumpkin. Literally what I wanted it to be. I couldn't imagine it to come out anything better than this. I really do like this scent, and I'm not a pumpkin spice type person, but this, I feel like because it's so warm and like the spicy part to it, I could definitely do it. And it's not overpowering to like where it give you a headache. And this, I'll start I'll start October off with this scent, okay? The second scent out of our fall candle line I'll be reviewing is Cozy. And side note, if you realize from the signature line to this line and the line I'll be reviewing after this, I definitely changed the packaging. I feel like the screw top for me is like more my vibe. So, I mean, I'll still be keeping the signature line, but I definitely love this packaging as well. Y'all, I could smell this before I even put it to my face. This one, okay, so if you watched my video on how to choose scents or something like that, I wasn't really a fan of fall scents, but this right here, y'all, I love this scent, y'all. To me, this is like a loud scent. Like, this could fill your whole living room up, and it gives me, let me smell it again. Okay, to me, will be your masculine fall scent. Actually, if this was a perfume or like a cologne, a perfume, it could be unisex. To me, it's kind of leaning more towards the masculine end, but this for me will be like, if you're a man and you don't want like all that foodie stuff, but you still do want something that's not fruity and like floral, because we're in fall, this is it right here. Like, I love this so much, okay? Between this and the next one I'll be reviewing, these were my two favorite for out of our fall candle line launch. Okay, so the next scent out of our fall candle line, y'all, do y'all hear my dog? I was so proud of this scent when I made it. Like, when I blended those fragrance oils perfectly together, y'all, I was so proud of this. Like, I had my mom and my sister smell it so many times. This one is Cashmere Nights. So Cashmere Nights is so subtle, y'all. It is so subtle, but so like, I do not know how to describe it. This is like my fall scent. From here on out, this is my like staple fall scent. Cashmere Night, it is so warm. It kind of gives me like a blankety feeling. Like, on a fall night, I'll definitely, and when you're talking about like pumpkin, Halloween, scary movie, like not that type of fall, like fall where we want to wear cozy loungewear, like you live in loungewear and you just sit and you watch a nice little movie, or you catch up on your whatever series you're watching on Netflix. I definitely burn this candle to set the mood for myself, okay? I really love Cashmere Nights, and it definitely gives me like luxury candle vibes based off of the scent. I love this. That one is my favorite scent. Cashmere Nights is my favorite, okay? The last scent out of this collection is Treat Me Nice. So this one is, again, foodie scent, but I could deal with it because it's subtle. So this one is basically like your oatmeal cookie with just a hint of fruit in it. This is for the girls or men that like the food scents as well, like the foodie type scents, but this is your cookie scent, okay? It's not as like strong as like pumpkin will be, but it still satisfies like your foodie craving that you want out of a candle. But I really do like this scent. Like I said before, I'm not like a foodie candle type person, but this one I could deal with, and it's still, again, not overpowering, but it gets the job done. So our final candle collection would be for the Christmas time, the holiday season, and I did once again change the packaging. I have like these this glitter top as well as a clear jar with a bit of foil labeling going on, and I actually changed the labels from matte to a glossy label. But the first scent will be Christmas time with notes of apple, cedarwood, and pine. Y'all. Okay, I actually didn't expect to like this, but it's like a Christmas tree with a sparkling cider on the side. So it's kind of giving me like your Christmas gala type nights if you're going to, you know, the Christmas balls that you may have with the work function. And it's really fresh, but still it has a hint of like champagne to it. So this one will definitely, I'll start December 1st off with this. And you know, if you're like me, you start Christmas even before Thanksgiving gets here. Like, I feel like we disrespect Thanksgiving so much, but y'all, I wait all year for Christmas, and this is the scent that I started off with. Okay, so the second one that we have is Peppermint Mocha, and again, this is for the girls that like the more foodie type scents. Okay, so this one of course was inspired by your favorite Christmas drink, hot drink, peppermint mocha latte, okay? So this one to me, is not my favorite because I'm not a peppermint person, but the mocha really comes in, and the peppermint to me is subtle enough so that the mocha part of it can shine. So this is something that I could deal with, but if you're a peppermint person, you definitely love this candle. Okay, so the third one will be Bonfire Night, and it smells literally like what the name is. Okay, it definitely gives me like that smoky but sweet vibe. And it's definitely reminiscent of a bonfire night type vibe. Like you outside chilling with your friends, y'all are roasting marshmallows. What do you call them? Making s'mores. Definitely this is the vibe that this gives me. This definitely gives me like, let me see, if you have kids, you're making sugar cookies the night before Christmas. If you don't have kids, you're chilling with friends, they come over, y'all watch a movie. I definitely like this candle, and I feel like it would be like a group favorite, like everyone would actually like this candle. So the very last candle in our Christmas launch is Gala. Okay, this one caught me off guard, and I definitely didn't think I would like it off the back because I was just buying it for the girls that like Christmas tree scents, like balsam fir and stuff like that. But this really, like, this surprised me. Like, I actually do like this. So this is giving me Christmas tree with like a hint of eucalyptus mint type vibe. So it's not peppermint, but it has a fresh eucalyptus, like a hint of it to it. And so y'all, this this just came to my mind. I would like this while taking a bubble bath during the Christmas time. Why during the Christmas time? Because of the balsam fir in it, or like the Christmas tree type scent in it. This is giving me self-care night. Like this Gala, it does give me like you're going to like a Christmas ball as well, but definitely self-care night simply because of the eucalyptus mint type vibe that I'm getting along with the Christmas tree scent. And it sounds weird to like you pair these scents together, but I promise you, this is your Christmas, your winter self-care night. I love this candle. So my favorite out of our Christmas candle line is definitely be between Gala. Y'all be saying this word wrong, and it's a candle. Anyways, my two favorites out of this line is definitely Christmas time and Gala. Okay, that is it for this video, y'all. Please let me know how I did. Not the best like with describing scents, but I hope I painted a picture good enough for you to feel the vibe. If you would like to purchase any of these candles and get the same vibe that I talked about in this video, I'll put our website in the description box. And based off of me describing like any of these candles, not like just the Christmas candle line, tell me which one you think will be your favorite down in the comments below. Other than that, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to watch the other videos on our channel, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.